Now I will start Excel class with these formatting ribbons. These formatting ribbons is enabled to the users to change the format of the content. So this is useful for to change the text, and this is useful for to change the uh, font size, and you can also use by increasing of these font sizes numbers. Then if you want to put on a bold numbers and italic numbers and underlining numbers, so in that you will get different type of underlinings like double underline also, and so in that you will get a borders like bottom borders and top borders and left borders and right borders and no borders. Suppose if you want to put all borders also, and thick box borders and outside borders and double, suppose if you want to draw a border for a particular cell, it's possible through this. If you want to erase the borders and line color, if you want to change the line color, if you want to go for a more borders like different style of border also can be useful for your Excel sheet. So I will show you how to do in a real time. Suppose so if I want to change the format for this, so this is number of text available, number of font sizes are available. So if I want to put these are all numbers by increasing the 12, so you can also use this number directly. So if I want to put highlight this text by using the bold, and if I want to use italic, non-italic, so I want to put some underline for these are all numbers by using of this underline and double underline. So if I want to put all box like outside border, so I will get outside border. So if I want to double border, so this is the double border, and if I want to fill the color with this color, and if I want to change the text color, only text color, so you can again if you want to change for the alignment, first you will start with the number is displaying here. You want to take the from the gap. Suppose if you want to change the angle text size with the clockwise direction, angle clockwise, and just want to rotate the text and format cell alignment. So now we can set the name text. You want to put this in 49 minus 49 degrees also possible. So if I am taking a wrap of text, so I will get a continue extend. This is class. This is called without text. You can get like that. So if I want to match these numbers, so only I will get a single cell. English. So this means unmatched cells. So you will get unmatched cells. Match across. Or going to across. And this is the basic format to change the cells. And then if it comes to if you add a dollar symbol, so if it comes to the next cell, so for this I am going to explain about. So any general number, arithmetic calculation, short data and short arithmetic calculation, it should be displayed into these cells. You have to select like. So if I want to add something, for this dollar price, just put a English dollar. So you will get in a dollars. See, and I want to put a percentage for these numbers. You can also put a percentage. So if I want to add, if I want to add 0 decimals, how many decimals you want? So you want to decrease the decimals. Suppose if you put any number like 45.466, so if you want to change decimals also is possible through this.